Hey YouTubers, and welcome to the Samurai Monkey 42. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a World War II Japanese flare gun. And I'm also going to be reviewing this flare gun that I have right here in my hands. And I purchased this item from a friend. I'm still in the search of, I recently started collecting this type of items. I have to actually figure it out how to use this one myself. I don't have the projectiles that you would use for this flare gun. I'm gonna be showing you guys the different parts of it. If you guys want to send me some projectiles, I'll fire it up for you guys and make a video of it. I'm not really sure if the projectiles they send at the store would actually be a fit for this type of Japanese flare guns. But I'm gonna start by safety is first, so I'm gonna start by showing you guys this here, which is the safe mechanism for the flare gun. If you push this down, you can't fire the flare gun, and it has these two kanji characters there. So this would be lock and this is unlock, and then you can fire the, well, it's not all the way, and then you can fire the flare gun. Next, I'm gonna be showing you guys, so this flare gun has different type of serial numbers. There's a serial number here, also a serial number here, and there's another serial number right over here on this side. I don't know if I show you guys the one on this side also. Okay, if I was to fire the flare gun right now, there's like a little trigger here. So you pull this, push on it, and it releases the barrels. So you can insert the projectiles in there, inside the barrels. And then you just push it back in again. Now, this is what I was trying to figure it out right now. Oh, I've also noticed that there's also some serial numbers here. So we can say that I have the projectiles in there now. You cock this back, and notice how these holes here are empty and hollow. If you push this back, I think this here needs to be in the center before you do that. Yeah, I think it does. That needs to be in the center. So you see how the flare gun is cocked back now. It's ready to fire the projectiles. So you move this to one side and it will fire the projectile, which is on the right side from the camera side, and there it fired the projectile from the right. And now you switch this to the left, and you can fire the projectile from the left. So with this double barrel flare gun, you have two projectiles. I seen the one barrel, and there's another one with 3 barrels. It's a pretty cool flare gun. I'm gonna start collecting these items. I'm looking for an ambu pistol, and I'll probably, once I get one, I'm gonna be making a video on. It'll be cool to fire one also. It'll be cool to fire this, but I don't know so much about the projectiles yet. So if you guys want to send me some, I'll fire it up and make a video of it. Or if you guys can give me more information on maybe how I can fire it up, that would be cool. Yep, so these devices were created by we're given to Navy officers for emergencies. I guess if the ship was sinking, you flare this up to indicate an emergency and somebody come pick you up before the ship goes down. And I would love to see the gun, to fire the gun with the original projectile, even though I never seen some. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, just comment me down below. Thank you so much for watching, and you're gonna have a link of how to subscribe to my channel, and link on the next video. One of my previous videos. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good night.